Hi, I'm Jill Cooper, EVP of Marketing for TM Forum, and today I'm joined by...
Hello, I'm Greg Tilton, the VP of Quote and Order for CSG.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, very well, thank you, Jill.
Good. So let's talk about CSG's membership of TM Forum. How long have you been a member of TM Forum?
Right, CSG's been a member for some 22 years, and
Wow.
I joined CSG as part of an acquisition, and the company that I came from has been a member since 2007.
Great. So we've got two separate companies being members of TM Forum. So you've had many years of experience of working with the forum and our large community globally. So tell me, what's the value and some of the benefits you get from being a member of TM Forum?
Right, so I run the Quote and Order and Catalogue product lines for CSG, and those products are really built on TM Forum framework standards, right from the underlying information model upwards. So the actual data model in the products has started as the TM Forum SID. And we've benefited in the sense that members have worked on that information model and the way all of the different entities should be tied together to service the needs of the telco community. And they've been doing that since the mid-1980s. So it's been really seriously refined over many years. So by basing ourselves on TM Forum standards, we've kind of future-proofed the product.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we've dealt for all the use cases that may not have been targeted when we first built the product,
Right.
but we know that they'll work because we're following the TM Forum models.
So you're a big believer in standards then for the industry?
Oh, absolutely. Standards where they're important. And standards are important when we do business together. So, and so the standards for partnering are super important. The service providers need to be able to plug into each other and operationally integrate if they're going to act collectively. We need to be able to extend a service provider needs to be able to extend their reach. They need to be able to bring over the top value to really build out their overall value propositions. So you need to be able to operationally integrate with others to do that. Standards are also important when we've got IT systems that are talking to networks.
Yeah.
And those network as a service standards have been particularly valuable. And you know, with our product, a real focus on those two elements of the standards has yielded some quite significant benefits.
So how would you summarize the benefits then of working with standards in the industry?
Well, the benefit is that you avoid wasting money on integrating with others. Yeah, and in fact, it's so expensive. If you looked at all of the partnering and integration between different elements within the IT stack within telcos, and if you said, well, we wanted to achieve a certain end state,
Mm-hmm.
and we needed to do all that integration to achieve that end state. If every one of those integrations was bespoke, nobody could afford it.
Absolutely.
So you need to be able to build things once and then use them over and over and over and create patterns that are repeatable.
Absolutely. And a lot of the work that you've been doing has been award-winning, right? Tell me a little bit about the awards you've been involved with at TM Forum and what they've meant to you as a member company.
Yeah, so the TM Forums recognised us in a number of different ways. I mean, I've had a Contributor of the Year award personally into TM Forum standards, which has been great. We've had excellence awards for some of the architectures that we've put together and our implementation of TM Forum open APIs. And we've also had many Catalyst awards for some of the innovative Catalyst projects that we've put together. The thing that's really good with the TMF is that there is sort of an attention to detail. Like they're looking for actual differentiating innovation and looking to bring that out and recognise it. And it's not all kind of brand driven, or it's,
Exactly.
and so the company that I came from was a smaller organisation and we were nobody on brand. But if we did something really worthwhile, the TM Forum would really recognise us.
That's wonderful. Thank you for sharing all of your experience of what it is to be a TM Forum member. We're grateful to have you as part of our membership, and thank you for your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you.